Okay, so why are you at today's protest?
That is a protest for the lie HB 1070, the Arizona law.
The Arizona bill? Okay. Do you think it's unfair? It's an unfair bill?
Maybe, I don't know. I'm illegal. I am illegal.
You're illegal or legal?
Illegal.
Illegal.
Yeah, illegal.
Okay.
Maybe, I don't know what happened. You tell me, I don't know what happened.
Okay.
I tell you, I am illegal. I wait here. All people, they protest for the law HB 1070.
What, might I ask, what country are you originally from?
My country?
Si.
I'm from Peru.
Peru?
Yes, sir.
And why did you come to this nation? For work or to
Only work.
Just to work? And final question, why have you not sought to become a legal immigrant or a citizen of the United States?
Why here?
Why have you not tried to become a citizen of the United States versus just being here illegally? I mean, isn't it more of a risk to possibly be here illegally than legally?
Is it illegal for me?
Is it?
No,
Or
no,
you
no.
don't feel so? No? So if you had the opportunity to become a legal immigrant or a U.S. citizen, would you do it?
I am illegal right now. I am illegal. I hope the President Obama leave the message are all people immigrant illegal, the LA and legalize all people.
Just broadly legalize them like a snap of a finger, sort of?
I hope.
Rally today?
I just want to do work to, I'll be honest with you, I guess I'm really not that comfortable with being interviewed.
So why are you at this rally today?
Well, in high school I worked at a restaurant. Most of them were illegal. I made a couple of friends. And it kind of hit me. Look, I'm coming from this white middle-class conservative background. I'm so blessed. All these friends of mine, they don't have the same privileges. And ever since then I've kind of gotten involved in immigration advocacy. I've joined groups on campus.
And I see you're wearing an Arizona, Boycott Arizona button. I'm just going to hand down there, Boycott Arizona. Have you read the law that was passed? Have you read it?
Have I read like the text specifically?
Yes.
I've read news articles about it. I've read summaries about it. Opinion articles.
And what have you heard in the news articles and summaries or TV? What have you heard about this law?
Specifically, I heard that the police can essentially stop anybody they suspect of being here illegal. I know there are precautions in the law against racial profiling, but the nature of the law contradicts it. I understand that there is a problem in Arizona. The federal government has not acted, but this is way too radical a step.
Do you think it's a radical step if someone was to say, stop you and ask for your driver's license?
No, but I don't think that's what's happening in this case. I think by specifically saying, before it was a federal crime being illegal in this country, Arizona's making it a state crime. So instead of the INS going after, now it's the police going after. So it's no longer just stopping for your driver's license, it's profiling, it's going after communities. If I was an American citizen of Hispanic descent, I would be pissed off because I would now be suspected of being illegal under this law.
So let me ask you this question. My name is Jonathan Valdez. I'm of Hispanic descent, obviously. And I'm not pissed off at this law, just to be upfront with you.
Yes.
So
I've realized you're questioning.
how do you respond to, say, someone like myself, or even more specifically, a majority of Americans, legal immigrants, and Arizonians who are for this law?
I think the debate has been framed the wrong way.
Okay.
It's not illegal immigration now, it's immigration. And our economic needs have not, I guess, corresponded with our immigration laws.
Okay.
We need to raise the number of legal immigrants, we need to pass the DREAM Act. And to someone like you, look, it's difficult. If you're willing to put up with this law, but first off, do you live in Arizona? That's my question.
No, I live here in New York, but I'm from Texas.
So you will not be personally affected by this law.
However, there are 42 states that require that illegal immigrants carry some sort of documentation stating that they are here in this country legally.
I agree with that.
So
it's a specific nature of this law and how it's going to be enforced that I have a problem.
So
I'm pretty pragmatic. I realize that we need to do something without illegal immigration.
So one last quick question, and then I'll thank you for your time. So if you are someone, if a police officer stops anyone for a reason other than they're brown,
yes,
traffic stop,
yes,
they're in a fight,
yes,
whatever, and they ask for some documentation, just like they would ask you or myself for a license, social security number, or some way to prove who you are. And that person is an illegal immigrant. And thus the federal law kicks in. Is that wrong?
The way you frame the question, I have to agree with you. I mean, in terms of law and order, sometimes you need documentation. But just, as I keep saying, it's a specific bill, the way they're trying to enforce it, I have an objection to.
I know
it has connotations of racial profiling.
I know I said that would be my last question, but just one follow-up question, just a parallel question to the law, because you say the federal law is one thing, but it's making a federal